video, you will explore each license type in details by providing examples and pricing information that will help you to determine which license suits your requirement the best. Whether you are a solo data analyst or a part of a large organization, so understanding the difference uh, between the Power BI Pro, free, and premium license is really crucial. So in this video, you will also learn like how to identify your current Power BI license and check like you have an access to the premium capacity or not. So by end of this video, you will be able to equipped with the knowledge to basically you will be able to determine the Power BI license you are currently holding and what feature it include. You will also able to identify that your business have an access to the premium capacity or not. In case your business have access to the premium capacity, then what are its benefits and the offers. And you will also learn how to identify and manage the content that is hosted within the premium capacity. So let's get started. So let's discuss about different licenses that are available in Power BI, and the first one is Power BI free license. So Power BI free license is the entry level license that is offered by Microsoft for the individuals and basically for the small teams. So it is basically designed for the personal use and provide access to the essential Power BI features at no cost. So what are the key features that is provided by this license? The first key feature is the data connectivity. You can connect your report with a number of data sources in case you are using Power BI free license. The second is the data transformation, wherein you can write a Power Query and you can also clean and transform your data. And the third key feature is the data visualization part that you can do with the help of this Power BI free license too. So you can create interactive reports and dashboards using a variety of visualizations and options available. So let's talk about few of its limitation. So the first limitation is the data size. So its data size is 1 GB per user. The second limitation is the data refresh. So there is no automatic refresh or scheduled refresh in case of Power BI free license. So you need to manually refresh your data. And the third limitation is the collaboration. You can't like share the reports that you have created with the other users as compared to the other license wherein this collaboration feature is already there. So let's summarize like what Power BI free license is. So its price, if I talk about its price, it's free of charge. Like who it's for. So it's basically for the individual who are basically working with the small scale personal projects. Let's take an example. So in case you want to create a simple Power BI report to visualize your sales trend, and since you are the only users, the free license is basically more than suffice for you. And if I talk about the features, so it allows users to use Power BI desktop and the Power BI service without any cost. And if I talk about another features, so there are other features like data connectivity, data transformation, visualization that I have already discussed. Is if I talk about its limitation, that it's limited to sharing and collaboration capabilities. And in case you are using this Power BI free license, so you don't have access to the premium features also. So this is all about Power BI free licenses. So let's talk about the Power BI another license, that is Power BI Pro license. So it is basically subscription based license. This means a cost is involved and that offers basically the enhanced features and capabilities beyond the free version. So if I talk about the key features of this Power BI Pro license, so first key feature is the expanded data limit. As you can see, like in Power BI free license, the limit is 1 GB, but in case of Power BI Pro license, the limit is increased to the 10 GB. A scheduled refresh option was not there in the free license, but scheduled refresh option is there within the Power BI Pro license. If I talk about the app workspace, so collaboration with the colleagues in the shared workspace is possible in Power BI workspace, Power BI Pro license. And it also comes up with the advanced sharing option wherein you can share dashboards and reports with the stakeholders both inside and outside your organization. So the most important feature, it comes up with the on-premise data gateway connectivity. It means you can install Power BI gateway and you can connect the Power BI gateway with the on-prem data sources. And it also comes up with the admin and monitoring capabilities, which means like you can monitor usage and performance within the usage metrics and the audit logs. So let's summarize like what we have discussed till now for Power BI Pro license. So the price of Power BI Pro license is $10 per user per month, Who it's for the business analyst, report creators, and power users. And let's take an example. So Bob, a business analyst, actively creates and shares reports. So in case such users like Bob's can use Power BI Pro license or can purchase Power BI Pro license. If I talk about the features, so I have listed few of them. The first is the content creation, second is the sharing within the organization, third is the publish reports to the Power BI service. This feature is possible in case of Power BI Pro license. And the most important feature is that Power BI Pro basically comes with Microsoft 365 E5. So in case you already have a Microsoft 365 E5 license, so you need not to purchase the Power BI Pro license separately. So this is all about the Power BI Pro license. So let's discuss about the another license. So this is another type of license, the Power BI license, that is premium per user license, which is also called as PPU. So Power BI per user premium license is basically designed for the individuals who need advanced capabilities beyond the Power BI Pro license that we just discussed. So it bridges the gap between the like you can say Pro license and more expensive premium capacity options. So if I talk about its features, so it also comes up with the collaboration features wherein you can share reports and can work on the shared data sets. So it also comes up with the scheduled data refresh, but benefit is that you can have more frequent refresh in case of PPU as compared to the Pro license. And it also comes up with the advanced security and governance, wherein the PPU users have an access to the security features that are including row level security. So if I talk about the additional benefits, it comes up with the additional benefit of access to the enterprise scale. So let's summarize like premium per user license. So the cost of premium per user license is $20 per user per month. Who it's for? So it's for the users who needing advanced feature beyond the pro, and it's basically enables the content creation in premium PPU workspaces. If I talk about the example, so Charlie, a data scientist who works with the large data sets, so the users like Charlie can purchase premium per user license. And if I talk about the features, so it comes up with pro features plus some premium capabilities. So this is all about the premium per user license, that is also called as PPU. So let's discuss about the another license. Let's talk about Power BI premium capacity. So it is basically for the organization with larger data needs and advanced analytics requirements. So it provides a dedicated resources and enhanced performance. Uh, if I talk about the features of this Power BI premium capacity, so no pre-allocated capacity is required in case of Power BI premium capacity. All the Microsoft Fabric capabilities like data modeling, warehousing, business intelligence, AI share the same compute capacity. So it comes up with the feature of one lake storage, which means a unified storage service for all the workloads within the Fabric, and the data remains in a single place across all the analytical engines, reducing the duplication. And if I talk about the pricing, so the pricing varies based on the number of capacity units, that is CU, which are basically required. So let's summarize Power BI premium capacity. So the price varies based on the capacity, like who it's for. It's for the organization with large scale deployments are there, and it basically provide a dedicated resources and enhanced features. And it's basically for the organization in which at least 500 users or above are the uh, using this capability. And for example, like David, an IT manager who oversees company-wide deployments, so this can be the license or the capacity which is required for David. And if I talk about the features, so it's organization-wide capacity, incremental refresh and paginated reports are possible in case of Power BI premium capacity. So this is all about the Power BI premium capacity. So let's jump to the another license. So this license is Power BI embedded license. So this license is basically required for the developer who are basically responsible for embedding Power BI reports into their custom application. So the price, if I talk about the price of this, so it varies based on the capacity usage and who it's for. It's basically for the developers who are embedding Power BI reports in the custom application. And if I take an example, so Eva, a developer, integrates Power BI visuals into her company's CRM system. So this license is required for Eva kind of users. So this is all about the Power BI embedded license. So we have discussed a lot about the different types of licenses and the pricing information, their features. Now let's see how to find out which license a user is holding. So to check this out, you need to log into the Power BI service, and then you need to click on the profile picture. Once you click on this profile picture, so it will share the account information, your account information with you. So currently it's account information for the Bola, and in case I want to check the license type that the Bola is using, it's a free account license that the Bola is using. And the other licenses types are basically that we have just discussed are pro and premium per user license. So this is how you can check out like which user is holding which license. So suppose I am logged in as Zelen and I need to check like Zelen's organization has a premium capacity or not. So what Zelen need to do? So Zelen need to log into the Power BI service. Then she need to go to my workspace, and then after clicking on my workspace, she need to click on managed personal storage. And in case Zelen see more than 10 GB, then Zelen is a member of an organization that has a premium subscription. So Zelen's organization has up to 100 GB storage. So, but you can't say like Zelen is actually holding this 100 GB. So you can see it's written, it's owned by us. So this is how you can find out if you have an access to the premium capacity or not. So let's see how to identify the content that is hosted in the premium capacity. So there are a couple of ways to identify the content stored in the premium capacity, and one of the way is to look for the apps or the apps workspace with a diamond icon. As you can see, BIM analytics with the diamond icon. So it's a content which is basically hosted in the premium capacity. So thank you for watching this video, and in case you really like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Rahul M365. Thank you once again.